Let's move to another example given in terms of integral sign from -7 till 7 is square root of 49 minus x squared. For me, it seems to be a circle or semicircle formula because I know that y is equals to square root of r square minus x square is the equation for the circle. Now, in order to solve such kind of questions, I told you first of all, the best thing is draw a table. From -7 till 7, there are a lot of numbers between them. Since I know that this is the equation of a circle, it seems to me the equation of the circle, I will write from -7 till 7 and in the middle I will write the 0. So y equation is equals to 49 minus x squared. That is my integrand also in the definite integral form. So first of all, I will replace x by -7. So I will get here, if I calculate, I will get here what? 0. Now I will just put x equals to 0 and I will get 7. Now on replacing 7 by x, I will get again the 0. And I think that you guys know how to write or how to make the table. No need to solve these things. Now sketch the graph very properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -7 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 on the top. So now sketch the graph -7 and 0. So that means over here. 0 and 7, it means over here, and y 7 and 0, it is here. As I told you that this is a semicircle, and if you have any doubt, you can just write more values like -6, -5, -4 and so on, or 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to get the accurate figure. But since because I know that this is the figure of the semicircle or the circle, so I just draw it like that. After that, what you have to do, the thing is that you have to calculate the area using the geometric formula. This is the shape of the semicircle, so the formula for the area of the circle is pi r square. The circle is semi or half, so I will divide it by the 2 or multiply it with the half. Now the thing is, what is my r? What is my radius? Radius is the distance from the center to one corner. So this at the 0, this is my center, and if you go on the right side, so you will see that there are 7 blocks. Even if you go on the top, you will have 7 blocks, and if you go on the left side, you again have the 7 boxes. So the radius is 7. So your answer is 49 over 2 pi. You can write the value of pi as 3.14 and you can get the accurate answer also. So hope you will understand this thing. So the basic thing is, first of all, you have to make the table, sketch the graph properly and calculate the area. Let's see one more example and the final example to finish this kind of the questions. So you have 1 plus square root of 9 minus x square. You can see that 1 plus, it is showing me the transformation of the circle, of the equation of the circle. But I will not go in the depth, or I will just sketch the graph by using my normal method. It means that I will first write the x and the y values to make the table. My x value from -3 till 3. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Because I know this is the equation of circle, I can use only -3, 0 and 3 directly. And if you want to write the other values also, so don't hesitate to write the other values. But I will write only -3, 0 and 3. So y equals to 1 plus square root of 9 minus x square. In place of x, just write down the -3. So you will get -3 whole square. The answer is 1. If you write the 0, So 9 minus 0 whole square, so 3 plus 1 is 4. And now replace 3 by x and you will get 9 minus 3 square. The answer is 1. So here again let me draw or sketch the graph properly here, so you will have more accurate things to get it. Okay, so first thing is we are going to sketch our graph. So you will have 1, 2, 3 on the right side, 1, 2, 3, negative 3 on the left side, 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the vertical side. Okay, now what we have to do, let's see that how we will sketch the graph. Negative 3 and 1. So on the negative 3 you have on the 1, 3 and 1 and 0 and 4. So we just took these things and we know that this is also the semicircle or semicircle. Now what have you observed, that these 2 points 3 and 1 and negative 3 and 1 are in the air. And we normally do not take anything which is in the air. First of all, make a horizontal or draw a horizontal line to join both the points. Now the figure cannot be in the air. So the next thing is make a contact with the x-axis by drawing a straight vertical line. Now here it is very obvious that you have two figures. One is the semicircle which I am shading with the green pen, and the other one is your rectangle which I am shading with the purple pen. So you have the areas. In order to find the area of this figure, you have two figures. That means area of the rectangle plus area of the semicircle. Formula for the rectangle is L times W plus semicircle is half pi r square. So look at the rectangle. How many boxes do you have for the length? Just count the boxes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 is the length, and for the width you have only one box. Okay, so 0 till 1 you have only one box plus half pi. Now what is the radius? Because the circle is starting from the 1, count the number of boxes in the vertical manner, or go on the right and count the number of boxes, or go on the left and count the number of boxes. All the boxes will be same. So you will have 1, 2 and 3 boxes on the right, 1, 2, 3 boxes on the top, 1, 2, 3 boxes on the left hand side. So the radius is 3. So now 6 times 1 will gives you 6 plus 3 times 3 9, 9 over 2 pi. And you can also just put the value of pi as 3.1514 and get the answer by using the calculator. So the basic thing is just understand how many figures do you have. If you have more than one figure, add the area of these two figures in order to get the total area. If you want to learn more anything, or if you have any other question, just write in the comment box so that I can explain you more. Thank you very much.